Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve data pipeline development with Apache Airflow, beginner guide step by step clearly. Understanding data pipelines is essential for effective data management. Apache Airflow is a powerful tool for orchestrating complex workflows. Start by installing Apache Airflow. Use the official installation guide to ensure you have the latest version. Once installed, set up your Airflow environment. Create a directory for your Airflow project. Configure the Airflow settings in the airflow.cfg file. Begin by understanding the concept of DAGs, which stand for Directed Acyclic Graphs. DAGs define the workflow, showcasing the order of tasks. Create your first DAG by defining a Python file in the DAGs directory. Import the necessary Airflow libraries. Define your DAG using the DAG class. Set the schedule interval for when you want the DAG to run. Add tasks to your DAG using operators like bash operator, Python operator, or other choices. Ensure each task has a unique task ID to avoid conflicts. Define the dependencies between tasks using the set_upstream or set_downstream methods. Once your DAG is defined, you can test it locally. Use the Airflow web interface to visualize your DAG and monitor its execution. Trigger your DAG from the web UI to see how it performs. Evaluate the logs to troubleshoot any failures or issues. Modify your code as needed to improve functionality. Consider adding error handling and retries to make your workflows more robust. Use Airflow plugins to extend functionality, such as integrating with external APIs or databases. Continuously monitor and optimize your data pipelines for efficiency. With practice, you'll become proficient in managing data workflows using Apache Airflow. This will lead to enhanced data processing capabilities for your organization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.